upon everyone, no?
Yes.
Do you have a right to take me a video?
We do have a right. Why not?
Are you a journalist doing?
No, we have a right because look, come on. What's a mala motiling? The mayor gave us the right to go. If you guys we have the right to take the video. Hence I say he must record so that way. Now if you take me wherever you want to take me, it will be a word against my words.
Yeah.
Because when you take me here, because I don't want to give you my passport, I don't know whatever you're going to write. So I want everything to be recorded.
To be recorded?
Yes. What I'm saying again in front of the video,
what did I say?
I don't give you my passport.
Why did I say? What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
You are telling me where is my passport. Then I'm asking you passport. It's in a car.
Okay.
You must ask me a traffic register. Then that I can give you. It's within area.
Register.
Yes.
Bro, I told you, like I told you, I'm a law enforcement officer.
Yes.
So I enforce the law upon everyone.
Okay.
So each and every law.
My passport. What do you want to do with my passport? I want to understand the.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with my passport?
Your passport speculates that you are you allowed to be here in South Africa?
Yeah. Yes,
when
there I'm saying there I are. This one where I'm illegally here or here, that one is not your department. We have Home Affairs, we have SAPS to do that. I'm not my brother.
Okay, when are you
my brother.
You want to do my job? You know my job better than me.
No, I'm not fighting with you.
That's what you're saying.
Listen, you stopped me, I stopped Dageri. That's much respect. I greeted you smiling. I know my rights.
So why?
If I'm telling you my rights, you don't have to fight with me. If I'm telling you my rights, I have the right to take you area.
Look here, my brother.
Yes.
I told you. Yeah, I'm a law enforcement officer. Yeah, you just have to comply. Whatever I tell you, you just comply, Baba.
You have a document which identifies me, which is my license officer, ne?
Bro.
My officer, let me ask you something. Why are you not asking those guys their passports? You are a law enforcement officer. That guy is Malawian.
How do I know it's Malawian?
I'm telling you. I know.
How do I know?
So why? Okay.
If you are telling me,
why are you letting them pass? You ask the only one.
I know that
the only one who's respecting. Mulum.
I can see that you are.
Let me tell you something. The only one who's respecting you, you tell him to stop, he stop. That's the one you are asking. Why are you not asking the bypassers?
I can see that you are a foreigner. That's why I need a passport from you. How do I know that is
Hence
Malawian?
I'm saying no, passport I want to give you.
Is it written here that is Malawian?
Okay, it's fine, but I'm saying passport.
Look here.
No, I won't do that. I don't have any violations. But if you give me good reasons, why should I do that? I can do.
So I should call the Interpol or the police for you to.
It's fine.
That's what
you see, it's not within your job. That's why you are calling someone. You are delaying me, my officer. I want to go. You are wasting my time.
Baba, look here. Now I'm within my time. You see, I'm not late. I'm here.
I can go. You are now fighting with me now.